how to add multiple photos to a collage in Yoshion app. So you have got a bunch of photos you want to showcase together in Yoshion Collage, right? Let's get them all there. It's super quick. So first things first, let's open up Yoshion app. It's right over here. Let's tap on it and go inside it. So here we are inside it. Now just tap on this collage right over here. And over here you can choose up to 16 photos to your collage. So that's the maximum amount of the photo that you can add to your collage. Now simply add photos that you want to add up to your collage. Let's add 16 photos. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 14 15 16. Okay, once done, simply tap on next, which is right over here. Then you'll be taken to this type of interface, and here you can see layout, ratio, border and background. So we are adding a multiple photos in the collage, and this is how it's looking like. From the layout section, you can choose the layout that you prefer for your photos. I'm okay with the first one, so let's keep it as it is. And if you are not happy with how the photos are there, you can just tap on it like this and edit it or crop it like this. So that's it. Once done, simply tap on ratio. From here you can choose the ratio of the social media on which you are going to post this collage over. So here's an option for the free, IG, Insta story, Facebook, Pinterest, and post for the Twitter, or you can say X, and everything. For now, let's keep it Pinterest like this. And once done, let's go to the border. From here, you can just adjust your border as you like. And there's also an option called the background, from where you can add, or you can choose the background that you prefer on your collage like this. So I'm happy with this. You can explore more, obviously. So once we're happy, simply tap on the tick mark right over here. And this is done. Now here you can see all the fewer options too. There's an option for the stickers, text, paint and add option. So you can use the stickers to add the stickers and make it more funny or a quickie way if you want. And there's also an option for the text, from which you can add the text, and the paint option could be used in order to paint in your collage, which is right over here. And lastly, the option for the add is used to add the photos if you want, or if you want to add it in the last minute. Once you're happy with it, you can simply tap on save, which is right over here. Just like this, and you are done. That's the process of adding multiple photos to your Yoshion collage. Totally straightforward, right? So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amusing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.